Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for anyone who uses the internet, and that's pretty much all of us. We're talking about VPNs, or virtual private networks. Whether you're concerned about your privacy, want to access content from other countries, or just want to stay secure online, understanding VPNs is crucial. So, let's break it down. What is a VPN? So, what exactly is a VPN? A VPN, or virtual private network, is a service that creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, computer, or even your TV, and the internet. Think of it as a private tunnel that your data travels through. This tunnel keeps your online activity hidden from prying eyes, whether it's hackers, your internet service provider, or even the government. How does it work? Here's how it works. When you connect to the internet normally, your data goes from your device to your internet service provider, or ISP, and then out to the wider internet. Along the way, your ISP can see everything you're doing, from the websites you visit to the files you download. But when you use a VPN, things change. First, your device connects to a VPN server, which could be located anywhere in the world. This server acts as a middleman between you and the internet. Your data is encrypted, basically scrambled so that no one can read it, before it leaves your device. It then travels through the VPN server, where it's decrypted and sent on to its destination. The website or service you're connecting to only sees the VPN server's IP address, not yours, keeping your location and identity private. Why use a VPN? Now, you might be wondering, why should you bother using a VPN? Here are a few key reasons. Privacy. A VPN hides your online activity from your ISP and other third parties. This means they can't see what websites you visit, what you search for, or what you download. Security. When you're connected to a public Wi-Fi network, like at a coffee shop or airport, your data is vulnerable to hackers. A VPN encrypts your data, making it nearly impossible for anyone to steal your information. Access to content. Some websites, streaming services, or online games are restricted based on your location. With a VPN, you can connect to a server in another country and access content as if you were there. Avoiding censorship. In some countries, certain websites or services are blocked by the government. A VPN can help you bypass these restrictions and access the open internet. Things to keep in mind. But there are a few things to keep in mind when choosing a VPN. Speed. Because your data is being routed through an extra server, a VPN can sometimes slow down your internet connection. Look for a VPN that offers fast speeds in multiple server locations. Trustworthiness. Not all VPNs are created equal. Some free VPNs can actually compromise your privacy by logging your data and selling it to third parties. It's usually worth paying for a reputable VPN service that doesn't keep logs. Legality. Using a VPN is legal in most places, but it's important to know the laws in your country. And remember, a VPN doesn't make illegal activities legal. It's just a tool for privacy and security. Conclusion. So, that's a quick rundown of what a VPN is and why you might want to use one. In today's digital world, protecting your privacy and securing your data are more important than ever. If you're interested in learning more about VPNs or need help choosing the right one, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.